Bro, look like you recording from a carpet.
Dude, I have an Android. I'm kind of broke.
Nigga,
So,
do you have a carpet, cuz? Yo,
no,
phone look like a carpet.
No, I put that over there because like the light will shine through and it like wakes me up, and I like my sleep.
I'm finna piss on myself and shit. Hey, bro, your phone look like you recording from a carpet, homie.
Hey, man, I'm sorry about that. However, you know.
Man, what the fuck, bro? Your
I'm trying
camera's
to.
wrong, your hair.
Hey, bro. Let's just like get over ass Android.
What, young nigga? Young nigga, go get you a new phone, cuz. I'll buy you a new phone, cuz. You just have to ask me, cuz.
Hey, yo, do you like vape tricks?
Man, fuck the Matrix. Your phone is the topic,
No. I was saying vape tricks.
No, cuz your phone needs to be
No.
fixed.
Hey,
I
100% agree with you, man.
If you ain't no magician,
huh?
He don't want to listen. He ain't gonna get nowhere.